Okay.
No.
Are you seeking the truth? Be honest. If I show you that what you believe is false, would you leave it?
You cannot tell me that what I believe is false.
That's it. Because there's no point speaking.
No, no.
Because you made up your mind.
No. Listen.
I'm saying to you, if I show you.
No way.
So you believe Jesus is God?
Yeah.
And you believe Jesus is the creator of everything?
Yeah.
Okay. And you believe God is the greatest?
Yeah.
Okay. And you believe God become a baby?
Yeah.
Okay. Baby is created. God is uncreated. So to say someone who's uncreated has no beginning, become created, is called a paradox. Doesn't make any sense.
Yeah.
Do you accept that?
Yeah.
So therefore, what you believe is wrong.
No.
Is it possible for someone to be uncreated? It has no beginning. Yeah, uncreated. And at the same time to be created. Is it possible?
God can do anything.
No, I'm not asking you. I'm asking you, is it possible?
For human being, it's impossible.
Bro, it's possible for someone who has no beginning. It's uncreated. He has no beginning.
What do you mean? That
God has no beginning.
The person that has no beginning.
God has beginning or has no beginning?
God has no beginning.
No beginning.
No beginning.
So therefore, it's impossible to say someone who has no beginning, at the same time he had a beginning.
Everything is possible. With God, all things are possible.
So it's possible for God to exist and not exist at the same time?
Yes.
Take care of yourself. For your evolution.
No,
brothers and sisters, you know, that people are watching, and the brothers are watching here. That's why sometimes it's a blameworthy to speak to some Christians. A man said to me, stand in front of the camera, say it's possible for God to exist and not exist at the same time. If it's a non-existence, you cannot be God who is ever living. But the Christians, for the sake of rejecting Islam, they will come with the most unbelievable, irrational, illogical, impossible, nonsensical belief. Just rejecting Islam. So, no, today you're Are you one of them? No, wait, before I go. Let me finish my point here, please. So my point here, have you not noticed the Quran? You know the Quran is powerful argument. Allah said about Mary and Jesus, كَانَ يَأْكُلَانِ الطَّعَامِ. Person might say, what does that mean? If both of them eat food, there cannot be the creator who is self-sufficient, who is not in need of food. If he's in need of food, he cannot be the same creator, is self-sufficient all the times. It's a powerful, simple, rational argument. That's how the Quran is powerful. Our arguments sometimes they can play, but when it comes to Quran, bang.